Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a smooth and blurry rotation effect easily in After Effects. But before you start making the effect, make sure to lock on and stabilize the clip. In my case, as you can see, the wheel is already stabilized and locked on. If you don't know how to stabilize videos, check the description of this video. I've included a tutorial there. Once you've finished stabilizing, create a new null object. Trim the beginning and end of the null object to match the length of your clip. Now let's fix the anchor point and center it. To do that, click on the null layer, then hold Ctrl on your keyboard and double-click the anchor point tool. It's now centered, and I'm going to drag the null to the very center of the wheel, because when I rotate the video, I want the wheel to stay centered. Now take the pick whip tool from your clip and drag it onto the null object. This will link, or parent your clip to the null so it follows the rotation. Now scroll to the beginning of the null layer, then select the null and press R to reveal the rotation and click the stopwatch icon next to rotation to add a keyframe. Now scroll forward a bit and change the rotation to 120. Scroll forward again and set it to 230. Finally, go to the end of the clip and set the rotation to 360. Select all the rotation keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard to ease them. Then open the graph editor, right-click here and choose Edit Speed Graph, and adjust the curve to make it smooth. Let's quickly check it. Looks great. Now let's add some effects to make it look even better. Select your clip and apply motion tile effect. Check mirror edges and change output height and width to 400. This will fix those black edges. Now enable motion blur on your clip to add blurriness effect during movement. Let's check it one more time. It looks fine, but now let's fix the mirror-like effect. You can leave it as is if you like, or we can animate the scale to make it look a bit different. Scroll to the beginning of the null layer, then select the null and press S on your keyboard to reveal the scale. Click the stopwatch icon next to scale to add a keyframe, then scroll to the middle of the null layer and increase the scale to about 150. Finally, scroll to the very end and set the scale back to 100. Now select all the scale keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard to ease them, then go to Graph Editor and make a smooth curve. That looks better to me. In case you want more of blurriness, apply CC Radial Blur effect on your clip. Set the quality to 100, then change the type to rotate. Scroll to the very beginning of the layer and click the stopwatch icon next to amount to add a keyframe. Make sure the amount is set to 0 at the start. Then scroll to the middle of the layer and increase the amount to around 10. Finally, scroll to the end of the clip and set the amount back to 0. Now press U on your keyboard to reveal all keyframes. Select them all and press F9 to ease, then open the graph editor and adjust the curve to make it smooth. It looks better now. To make it even more dynamic, I'll add a shake at the beginning of the rotation using one from the AM Film Shakes pack. You can also check out my shake tutorials here on the channel. I've also created 16 unique and advanced shake presets, which you can get from the link in the description. Now let's see how it looks with the shake added. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.